Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch effectively for fitness. First, personalize your daily activity goals for the move, exercise, and stand rings to match your fitness level. Next, consistently use the built-in workout app to accurately track a wide variety of exercises. Remember to monitor your heart rate zones during workouts. This helps ensure you are training at an optimal intensity for your goals. Beyond daily activity, leverage your Apple Watch to track sleep patterns. Understanding your recovery is crucial for overall well-being. For outdoor activities, utilize the integrated GPS for precise mapping and accurate distance measurements. Regularly review the Trends section within the Fitness app on your iPhone. This provides valuable insights into your long-term progress and helps you adjust your routines as needed. To truly optimize your experience, customize your workout views directly on the watch to display the metrics most important to you. Stay motivated by sharing your activity with friends. Friendly competition can be a powerful tool. Don't hesitate to explore the vast array of third-party fitness apps available, as many offer specialized training programs that can further enhance your fitness journey. Finally, for a holistic view of your health, pay close attention to your resting heart rate and heart rate variability, as these can indicate overall fitness and stress levels. Always ensure your Apple Watch fits snugly on your wrist. This is crucial for accurate sensor readings, especially for heart rate and activity tracking. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.